warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Brainy Kitchen. My name is Rahman. I'm the manager of the Brainy Kitchen. This huge kitchen can produce up to 1,000 kilograms of food every week. It is a huge challenge for the team to maintain the quality of the food. At the same time, to ensure that the food is halal, the sauces is halal, the food is delicious. Let's go inside. There are 11 full-time staff here that assist me with the everyday running of the kitchen. Basically, the food will be prepared and cooked here. Then they will be packed and blast frozen before they are delivered to our various campuses. Before any staff enters the kitchen, he must make sure that he is properly attired. They also need to wash their hands thoroughly with soaps and dry with clean tissues. This is what we call a footpath. It contains sanitizing solution and every kitchen staff will walk through it before entering the kitchen. This is another measure in ensuring total cleanliness. This is the inward dock. The delivery trucks will deliver various perishable products from our suppliers every Monday. We will check the perishable to make sure the quantity, quality, and the specification of the products are as per our order. This is the preparation area. Here you can see all the vegetables and meat and perishables all sorted out. Here you can see that the perishables will be sorted into two categories. One is meat and poultry, and the second one is vegetables. In order to ensure the food production runs smoothly, everything is done according to the timetable and planning. The ingredients are prepared on Monday and then it is stored in a cold room to be used when needed. Now we have come to the cooking area. Each and every one of the staff is required to maintain the cleanliness of the equipment at all times. Now we have come to the cooking area. Here you can see that we are cooking for almost 100 kilo of food at once. Okay. Here when we do the cooking, we follow the standard recipes that we have. Everything is measured and we are cooking according to a temperature before we cool it down. We will take the thermometer and measure the temperature. It should be minimum 60 degrees Celsius before we cool it down. And all this temperature will be locked in our record. So every time we cook, we lock the temperature at minimum 60 degrees Celsius, then we cool it down. We have two huge kettles that can cook up to 100 kilo of food, an industrial steamer, and an industrial oven. We try to make the food as appealing as possible and we try to hide as many vegetables in the sauces because, as we all know, kids do not like veggies. However, we do show some vegetables so that the children are exposed to the varieties of vegetables and are able to identify it. We are in the process of cooling down the ready meal. Just for info that this meal, when we do the cooking, when we plan the menus, we will incorporate all the nutritional values in a menu, which includes all the carbohydrates, all the proteins, and all the vitamins, all in one dish. Okay, now you can see that we are transferring the food into the tray. This is part of the cooling process. Cooling down process is very important and the most critical procedure in the food production. The purpose is to control bacterial growth. Once cooking has completed, the food is transferred into smaller containers. It is then placed into the aerinox machine for the blast chilling process. During this process, the food temperature is brought down from 60 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius. This will take about 1 to 2 hours depending on the quantity of food. The aerinox is a sophisticated machine recognized by World Association of Chefs, and it is used in reputable hotels worldwide. It has multi-purpose function that is to chill, freeze, thaw, and regenerate food. This room is where the chilled food is packed and labeled. Product name, production date will be pasted on top. The packets are vacuum sealed to make sure that the food stays fresh. It is important to remove the air as bacteria thrive in oxygenated environment. Each packet of food could feed up to 20 children. The next step is blast freezing the packed food. This is the cold room where we store packets of frozen food. The temperature of this cold room is from minus 16 to minus 18 degrees Celsius. We always follow the system called FIFO, which is first in and first out. The last step in food production is the delivery. We use a bonded truck to deliver the frozen food to campuses. The cold truck ensures that the food maintains its frozen condition from minus 16 to minus 18 degrees, so it will not spoil during delivery. We have now reached one of Brainy Bunch campuses. Our staff will deliver the food direct to the kitchen along with other dry goods such as rice, spaghetti, vermicelli, noodles, cereals, and so on. Upon receiving the food, the teachers in the campus will then take over by storing the food in the freezer. Based on the menu given, the teachers will defrost and heat up the frozen food. Teachers too have their own set of meal. Ensuring our children eating halal food is very important as it assists in shaping their character. I feel that it is my responsibility as a chef not only to supply food to campuses but also to ensure the source is halal. The preparation is clean and hygiene, and it is palatable to a child's taste. I hope Brainy Kitchen will grow and expand its production to a much higher level. We hope the Brainy Kitchen will grow and serve the best food. Yeah!